Hello, I'm Mr. Ranjana Datta from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School of Women. This is my 29th lecture on integral calculus. Today we will discuss more about change of the order of integration. Now, here v dx into dy. The first integral limit of the first integral will be obtained by x equal to 0 and x equal to a by 2. So at first you have to draw the curve. So x equal to 0 and x equal to a, draw it. Then the second integral is y is equal to x square by a. That means y is equal to x square by a y, x square is equal to a y, x square is equal to a y. And another is y is equal to x minus x square by a. So y equal to x minus x square by a, which becomes ax minus x square is equal to ay, and when x equal to 0 and when x equal to pi by 2. The equation of the parabola ax minus x square is equal to ay can be written as x square minus x square x square minus ay ax is equal to minus ay, which after calculation becomes x minus a by 2 the whole square is equal to minus a y minus a by 4. So it is in the form x square is equal to minus 4ay, the general form. So it will be in the inverted form, and at a distance a by 2, and in the y-axis at a distance a by 4, and you can see the parabola drawn. Thus the parabola varies as a by 2 and a by 4, and the again another one is y is equal to x square by a. So x square by is equal to ay. So there is no negative sign, so it will be upper facing parabola, and which passes through the origin. So you can see the curve on the traced on your paper. So we are to find the point of contact of these two curves, and the point of contact to these curves and the shaded portion, that is common portion to this both. So we can see the shaded portion and the strip parallel to x-axis, that is LM, where the value of x changes. So value of x changes for the second parabola, that is y equal to x minus x square by a. From this we get the value of the second parabola, x of the second parabola, and the x of the first parabola is x square is equal to ay. From that we get x is equal to root of ay, and the y varies from y equal to 0 to a y equal to a by 4. And since the it is the change of order, so you have to write the y first and then x, and then putting the limit we can get the integral, as you can see. Now again change the order of the integration of the double integral. Here the limit of x is from 0 to infinity, that x varies from 0, x equal to 0 to x equal to infinity, and limit of y is from x to infinity, that is y equal to x and y equal to infinity, and the function is e to the power minus y by y dx into dy. So plotting this graph, we can see the feasible zone. Here the in the feasible zone we can see the value of x varies from 0 to, here y equal to x, that means 0 to y, and the value of y varies from 0 to infinity. So this way we can change the value of the integration. Another example is given. Change the order of the integration 0 to a and another integration mx to lx v dx dy. Here also the values of x is x equal to 0 to x equal to a. So plot two lines, x equal to 0 and x equal to a, and another for y, it is y equal to mx and y equal to lx. Mx means y equal to mx plus c form. Here c is equal to 0 and y equal to lx. If m and l are different, that will be two different lines whose m and l are different. So you can see the slanting two lines, but here the portion changes, the line intersect on y-axis in two portion. So the point of intersection for one, it becomes a to mx, and for the second it will become a to la. Here we divide the shaded portion into two parts, that is from LA, and another part that is AB portion, that one is. So for the first part, the x varies from y equal to lx, that is x equal to y by l, and for the second part it is y equal to mx, so x equal to y by m, and y varies from 0 to ma. And for the second part also, x varies from y by l to x equal to a line, that is x equal to a line, and y varies from ma to la, and then change the order, obviously you will get the value. And for the third also, you try the similar way, this way. So it is more about similar, so please try it at home. So you are to draw the curve first and then select the limit of integration of x and y, that is the problem in this double integration. So student, today this much only. Thank you.